Today we're going to be showing you how to reset the oil light on your Nissan. Now this is a newer Nissan. This is I think a 2018, don't hold me to that. Very beautiful car. A great car so far. It's just a couple years old. And you know, it's got like 28,000 miles on it, I think. So we're going to show you how to reset the oil light on this. Bryce is going to explain it to you guys. Go ahead, Bryce.
Your steering wheel, hit return.
You hit return on the steering wheel. You got these up here.
And go to settings, maintenance, click OK. I guess oil and filter, click OK. And go down to reset. And it asks you yes, if you want to, yes. There you go. She's resetting.
That's very easy to do and very simple. Starts up, runs good, no complaints with this car. It's a great car. You know, great for trips, great gas mileage. Very beautiful car too when it's clean. It ain't been washed. But yeah, I just love the body style of this SUV. I mean, look at it. So if you found this video helpful and you're new, get subscribed. If you return a subscriber, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.